everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So you're going to notice that we're in the lab today, but we'll get to that in a second. So a while ago, Rob made up this cleaning solution and we called it the Miracle Cleaner. And it's just salt, white vinegar, IPA and washing up liquid mixed into one bottle. And I have to tell you, this stuff is absolutely incredible. It cleans stuff really nicely. So in our lab, in the sink, it's actually stained just from when we wash it up stuff once we're done. And regular cleaning products just can't get this stuff up. And I'll show you that in a second. So let me show you the sink first. So here is the lab sink. And you're going to notice that it's a little bit cleaner here. And that's because I've already given it a go. So I'm going to spray a little bit of regular all-purpose cleaner over this. Give it a little scrub and see actually how much it can lift off. So there we go. Lovely jubbly. And now we use this as well. Let me give it a rinse. And that is how the regular cleaning stuff has left that. I could probably scrub that for a very long time using one of these and eventually get it up. But we're going to try our cleaning solution now. So I've got the Miracle Cleaning Solution right here and I'm just going to, I was going to spray it, but it seemed like the bottle has just stopped working. So now we can give that a good old scrub. I give it a scrub with this, get most of it up, and I can tell it's just lifting already. Oh, that is really nice. And now I'm going to take my metal skewer and give it a good old scrub. Bear in mind, this sink has been stained for a little while, and this cleaning solution is just getting it up like no other. So now I've given it a good scrub, I'm just going to wipe it with some Blue Roll. And you guys are going to see the difference. Wowzers. So in total, that's taken me about 3-4 minutes with this Miracle Cleaning Solution right here to achieve a result like this on a stained sink. That's amazing. Wow, so that Miracle Cleaning Solution did a really nice job on that sink. And now it's actually shining for once. So I'm going to be making a bottle of this to take home for myself, just because it's that good. And if you're interested in the recipe, I'll stick it up on the screen now. With that being said, that does bring me to the end of the video. And I enjoyed this one because I enjoy a little bit of cleaning here and there, and this stuff made it quite fun. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later.